Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to apply border on data in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. Simply select the entire data. You just drag with the mouse and select your entire data. Then go to the home tab. In font group, click on the borders option. Just click on this drop down arrow and here you can see the different types of border option is available. I select here the all border and here the border is applied to full data. Again, select here the entire data and go to the borders option. And here you can see the different types of border is available. The bottom double border. If you want to give the double border on bottom side, you can give it. You can see the double border is applied. Okay. Again, I select the entire data, click on the borders, and here you can draw your border also. Just click on the draw border and you can see your cursor is converted in pencil icon. Just drag and draw the border. You can see your border is easily you can draw. Here you can also draw your border. I just click on this arrow again and change the line color. Now I select the red. Now I just draw and you can see the red line here draw. Same as here also you can draw your border with the red color. Okay. Again I click on this and if you want to erase, just click on the erase border option and erase this border only. You can see here also you can erase the border easily. Okay. Again click on the borders options and you can draw the border grid also. Simply click on and you just drag and you can easily draw the grid. Okay, grid of borders. Okay, and the one more option I show you here. Again click on the drop down arrow and click on the more border options. Okay, and here you see the format cell dialog box is open. In border tab, here the line styles also available. Select the line style, then select the color. So I select here the yellow color and here you can check the preview of your border. I click on the outline. You can see the outline is line is applied yellow. The style also showing is dash style of the line. Click on the inside also apply. Okay. Now I just click on OK and here you see the border is applied yellow dash line style. Okay. So this is a way you can use the border style different way in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.